going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video here, and we have to talk about Dogecoin. We have so much growth here with Dogecoin. We just now went all the way up to 28 cents here, but now we're at 26 cents. We're at 26.51. So I had to do this because we are following the trend line that we set here with Dogecoin. We knew it was going to continue to rise because that's just what we've been doing here with Dogecoin. And actually, I swing traded earlier yesterday so that I could get a better position for today. So yeah, we're doing really good here with Dogecoin. We're starting to grow again. I just really hope that we do not end up dropping over here like how we did back here. But I do not think we're going to do that because we just now hit our lows right now. We hit 16 cents for Doge. So I definitely do not think that we're going to continue to drop here. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, in my personal opinion, I really do believe we hit rock bottom with Doge earlier. And now we are kind of just, we're regaining that. We're going to continue to rise here. We're getting our market cap back. Doge is doing way better than it was. But yeah, we're at 26 cents here. This is really big for Doge. Let's go over here and look at it on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, it looks a little different on this chart. But yeah, we're still continuing to rise here with Doge. I like to look at the 1-minute chart the most because I like to look at the short-term growth because I like to day trade, swing trade. I like to know exactly what's going on. So let's look at this short little chart here. So look at this Doge chart. This is where we dropped all the way down to. We dropped all the way down right there. Draw a little circle here. Look, we dropped all the way down right there. This is a huge jump from all the way down there. We went all the way from here all the way up here. This is not even a fake thing happening right now. Doge is definitely going up, but we may, do little dips in here and there like that, but we are going to continue to rise here overall. I'm personally optimistic about Doge, and I'm waiting for Doge to hit around 30 cents, and around 30 cents I'll probably end up selling right there because we have a lot of resistance usually around 30 cents. So I would sell there and then buy back in at like 28 cents, to lower my dollar cost average. And I got in really cheap with Doge around 6 cents, but I'm still greedy with it. So I still want, better deal on my dollar there. But how can you get any lower than 6 cents per, dollar cost average? But, that's just how it is. I like to buy more Doge and more Doge and more Doge. So yeah, this is just my little strategy here. I've been swing trading Doge. I was gonna buy it or sell it up here and buy it down here, but I actually just woke up around here, and yeah, I'm like fresh out of bed right now, dedicated to Doge. So I had to make this video because I seen that we went up so much by 3 cents. I just had to make this video. Everything with Doge is going really good today though. We are continuing to rise here with Doge, but let's go ahead and check out our market cap here with Doge. So let's go to CoinGecko and look at where we are here. So yeah, we're at $34 billion. Yesterday we were only at 30 billion, and then we ended yesterday with $31 billion. So being at $34 billion right now, that's really big for Doge. So if we can continue to do $4 billion every day, we are going to be back where we were in no time. And let's just lower that scale down to $1 billion every day, just to be ultra realistic, even though that we know Doge can do way more. Let's just be with the people at Arts who supported with Doge. Let's just say we only do $1 billion of growth a day. That's still a good percentage gain every day. We're at 2.7% of a gain right now, and that would probably be 0.5% of a gain if we did 1 billion every day. But don't take my advice for that. I'm just some guy on YouTube talking about Doge. Not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But I'm heavy on Doge, and honestly, I would say Doge is definitely a good crypto to be heavy on because we have such a good community here, and we have Elon Musk with us. Imagine when Amazon hops on the train. We have Elon Musk. We have so many other people. We have so many other famous people that are so big with Doge. And look, we're about to break 27 cents here, 26.98. Look at this. We are about to break that right here. We cannot be stopped here with Doge. 26.99. This is big. Oh no, we dropped. But yeah, we're definitely gonna continue to rise here with Doge. Doge is definitely the crypto of the year. It's going to be the #1 crypto inside the future. It's going to be the currency of the future. We're going to use Doge on Amazon to purchase products. I will be using Doge on Amazon, and I will make sure to be using Doge instead of credit cards everywhere. So yeah, this is going to be really big for Doge. But look at Doge, like we are going so crazy right now. We're going to continue to rise here. But yeah, just imagine the growth that we could do. Let's look at a bigger chart here. So just imagine the growth that we could do here with Doge, and we only just started to gain some of our market cap back. We haven't been doing this for a long time. We only just started getting our money back. And honestly, I don't believe we will have a dip in Doge until right here, which I did say 30 cents. We're gonna have some resistance right here at 30 cents. But we are going to break that resistance. It will dip below it like once or twice, but we will have a little bit of resistance at 30 cents. It won't be too bad. And look at the bright side, if we have Elon Musk tweet something when we hit 30 cents, then we would definitely will not have any resistance. We will continue to break that. But if we don't have some big kind of news or some big Twitter following, then we won't be able to break it instantly, but we will break it over time, and over time as in like a day or two, or maybe even a few hours. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at our Doge community. I like looking at the Doge community for Twitter because the Doge community is really strong on Twitter. Everyone on Twitter was really strong when Doge Day 420 was here, so that's definitely something good. But yeah, the Amazon Doge, that is the main thing we need to look at. We need to see this on Amazon, so everyone go retweet this Doge post and make sure it goes to #1 so we can be on Amazon. Yeah, Doge can do anything. Ask not what Doge can do for you, ask what you can do for Dogecoin. That is big. What can you do for Dogecoin? I'm definitely going to be using Dogecoin whenever we get it on Amazon. I'll definitely be using it. But yeah, what can you do for Dogecoin? That is the real question here. Dogecoin is at $34.3 billion right now in market cap. So the best thing we could all do would probably just be putting more money into Dogecoin. But yeah, not a financial advisor, not financial advice. But we are going to continue to rise here with Dogecoin. As you can see, we went all the way from 16 cents all the way up here to 28 cents, and now we're at 26 cents. And now we're almost at 27. So you see the kind of growth that we can do here with Dogecoin. And it's actually every time Dogecoin goes for a rally, every time it goes up for a pretty long time. Like, it goes on a pretty long bull run. And by long, I just mean a few days, because that is pretty long inside of crypto. Like, just imagine we already got like 11% right now from here to here, and that's probably about 13% right there. And then if we go up another inch here, we go about another 13%, and so we're at about $44 up here, or 45. So maybe, honestly, looking at this chart, inside of 3 days we should be at 45 cents. Realistically, that's what I'm seeing here, unless we drop. But within 3 days we should be about 40 cents here. This would be 40 cents right up here. So yeah, about 3 days. This is the first right here. I mean, this is the 23rd, this is the 24th, this is 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. So that would probably be 4 days there. But since we all know Doge grows at such a fast pace, I would say 40 within 2 to, not even 2, but yeah, let's say 3 days. 3 days, 4 days to be safe. But yeah, 3 to 4 days, and we'll definitely be back at 40 cents with Doge. And when we do break that, I believe we're gonna break the 50 cents mark. But as you can see here, we are going on a little pattern here with Doge when we get our little uptrends. Like, we love to go up with Doge and then down, but all this really happened because of the new thing that Biden announced, the capital gains tax. But we are gonna come back, and 420 kind of messed us up right here, and then it was bad enough to get the capital gains tax thing right here. But just imagine if we did not get the capital gains tax news, none of this would have happened. It would have actually continued to rise here, because people actually started to buy back into Doge. But then the news came about the tax, and then people just sold out of everything. So Doge would probably be doing something like this, already recovering, and we would probably already be at 40 cents by now if we did not have that news about the capital gains tax. but that kind of slowed us down, and it kind of took us all out of this motion, and then it brought us all the way down here. So we had to restart that motion here with Doge. So that's why you see we're going to continue to rise. We had to restart that because of the news with the capital gains tax. Forgive my poor drawings here, but yeah, look at Doge. We are going to continue to rise here. We're going to go all the way up here with Doge, and we were about to do that before we got that news. So that's definitely one thing to think about with Doge, because you can see how we're rising here with Doge with our charts. Like, we were starting to do that, but we couldn't do it with capital gains tax news, and now we are redoing that. We are re-breaking those lines. And remember, right back here, like right when this jumped, we were actually going to continue to rise even higher with Doge, but I guess we had a little bit of sell off, and then we came right back, and that's kind of what we're seeing here. So yeah, Doge is definitely gonna hit the moon. We already hit the moon really, so Mars is really what we're looking at, but we came back to Earth, but we're going back to the moon now because we want to be back at the moon with Doge, and then just straight to Mars after that. So yeah, Doge is gonna continue to rise here. Let's look at our tweets here. Alright, let's go to Elon Musk. I just want to see him finally tweet or just say something about Doge. That's all we need, is just a little bit of Doge information. Docking confirmed, second time at the space station for this dragon. So yeah, everything's meant about SpaceX right now with Elon. Okay guys, 6 years passed, and I eventually, okay, that's I guess that's what Elon's doing out there. What does the future hold? This is big right here. You know he's talking about Doge. What does the future hold? You know he's talking about Doge here. This is what the future holds. That is what it holds. It holds Doge and Batman. It holds all that. Doge overtaking the US dollar, the euro, the China's yuan, Bitcoin, Doge taking over all that. Future cryptocurrency of Earth. That is definitely what Doge is going to be. So yeah, this is really big that we have Elon Musk actually saying something about Doge. So that could actually be why we had so much about Doge. This is the first time I looked at Twitter all day today. So this is definitely really big right now. Oh, I thought that said the Padres at Dodgers or Dodgers, but that just says Dodgers. But yeah, Elon Musk did tweet about Doge. He did not specifically say Doge, but what do you think he's talking about when he says HODL? Because this is the meme, the Doge meme right here. So this is really big for Dogecoin. Remember, when Elon Musk tweets, he tweets inside of different times. So like, he'll tweet right now and he might tweet again in a few more hours, so then it'll continue to raise the price, so it won't continue to go down. This will be really big for Doge. We definitely have Elon Musk back on the Doge train, so Dogecoin is definitely going to continue to rise here. All planets can fit between Earth and Moon. Look at this stuff. This is all of Elon Musk likes, but he did like this Bitcoin versus Ethereum 3 hours ago in Dogecoin. So he liked this post personally. That's really good to know that we have Elon Musk supporting this post. So I'm gonna support it too here. But yeah, we have Dogecoin going to the moon again. This is the second run up, and I got in right before the first one at 6 cents, and I rode that all the way up. So I'm definitely happy that I was able to ride that up, and I'm about to ride this one up, and I advise you all to ride this up with me. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But I've seen this happen once with Doge, and I really do see it happening again with Doge. Where it was 6 cents. So I started to see a lot of let's explain like why I got into Doge back here. I started to see Doge jump a lot back here, and I seen it go all the way up from here to here. But I did want to be in Doge lower. This is where I got in at, because I started to see all this price action here. It just started to rise, and I think it's when Elon Musk tweeted something about Doge. So then I bought it right at 6 cents right before it went up, and then started to ride it up, and then I sold it right here, and then I bought more around here, and then I continued to go, and then I ended up selling like all the way up here at around 23, and then I regretted it, and I bought it back around up here around 24-25 cents. So I lost a little bit of profit, but then I made sure to get right back in, and then I started to ride up the wave here, and that's where I sold out again, and then I bought back when we came around to 33 cents, and then I did the same thing again here. So yeah, I just been swing trading Doge. I just been profiting. Only made a few trading errors, like when I sold here and then had to buy back. like 2 cents more because we started to go up again, and then when I did the same thing here. But overall, I did a pretty good job trading Doge. I made about $15,000, and I used a lot of that money already to buy a bunch of stuff for myself. And like I said, we should all be taking out profits for Doge. I'm definitely going to be taking out profits once we hit 50 cents. This is definitely happening here at Doge. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but we are going to rise here with Doge. As you can see, we already broke 27 cents here as we were talking. So yeah, we're coming back to where we were before. But yeah, Doge is on the rise, so definitely continue to look at it. Actually, we are about to have some crazy growth like we did right here, but it's only a matter of time, so we just gotta wait a few. But look over here, we are now at 34.3. I want to see where we are when we refresh this before we end this video. Now we're at 34.6 billion. So we did $300 million within the whole time of this video being made. We gained $300 million. So that is something definitely that you need to think about with Doge, how fast we are growing. They're all getting back in on Doge. And actually, before we end this video, I want to go over to Google Trends just to show you what Doge is kind of doing over here. Just to show you Doge is really moving with the trend right now. It's going up. So we have a positive trend line here. Let's type in Doge. Alright, let's look at this trend line here. Look, we're going out. This is for the past hour, so we actually have a lot of people searching for Doge within the past hour. Even inside the past 4 hours. Inside the past day, our top state is Washington. In our past hour, Idaho has been the top Doger. So Idaho is getting the most Doge right now. That is big right there for Idaho. But yeah, Slim Jim Dogecoin is the biggest thing that's been searched inside the last hour. So Slim Jim has definitely been helping the Dogecoin price, and also the Jeff Bezos rumor that they're supposed to be getting on Dogecoin is also helping the price rise, and just people looking up how to buy it. Planeteer stock is also helping Doge, I guess. CCIV stock is also helping Doge, and Dogecoin pronunciation. Oh yeah, because people thought it says Dogecoin. That I also thought it was Dogecoin at first. I used to call it Dogecoin back in the day, but now I call it Dogecoin. And yeah, this is definitely going to continue to rise here. We have Axe in Doge, Amazon Doge. So everything is Doge right now, and people are learning how to mine Doge. I watched a video on how to mine Doge, so I may actually start mining Doge. But that might be for the future. I'm not sure if I want to do that. But yeah, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out that link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull. And you can also get Dogecoin on Webull now and Robinhood. So yeah, definitely like that, subscribe. I will be back with another video. Peace.